Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and a small container for screws. Start by turning off your Lenovo laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if your model allows for it. This ensures your safety while working on the device. It's also a good idea to ground yourself to prevent static electricity from damaging the internal components. Now, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, placing them in your container for safekeeping. There are usually several screws along the edges, as well as a few under the battery compartment. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic pry tool to gently separate the back panel from the laptop. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. As you lift the panel, be cautious of any cables that may be attached to it. After removing the back panel, you'll gain access to the internal components. Here, it's essential to clean any dust or debris using compressed air. This helps improve airflow and cooling, extending the life of your laptop. If you find that you're unsure about the cleaning process or don't have the right tools, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device is in the best hands. Next, locate the LCD assembly. You'll notice screws securing the hinges to the frame of the laptop. Carefully remove these screws, keeping track of their locations. This is crucial as different screws may have varying lengths, and it's important to place them back in the correct positions during reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently detach the LCD assembly from the hinges. Be careful with the display cable, as it can be fragile. If you need assistance, our pickup and delivery at your home service can simplify the process. We'll take care of everything, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Now, take your new LCD cover and align it with the hinges. Secure it in place using the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the new components. With the LCD cover attached, it's time to reconnect the display cable. Ensure it is properly seated in its connector before proceeding. This step is vital for the display to function correctly. Once everything is connected, carefully place the back panel onto the laptop, aligning it with the clips and screw holes. Replace the screws to secure the panel, ensuring a snug fit. Finally, reinsert the battery if it was removed. Power on your laptop and check that the display is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We're here to ensure your device operates smoothly and efficiently. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the LCD cover and hinges on your Lenovo laptop. With regular maintenance and care, your device can last for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.